Who's the lawyer you hired? I talked to attorneys, I talked to ombudsman, and I talked.
Who did you hire?
Who did you hire? Who? Jaws Cole.
Giles.
Giles. I think he's out
Giles.
on board.
When did you hire him?
Maybe by that he sent the
I can't, he's not like, when did you hire him?
Friday. Saturday.
When, did you give him like, the notice of your
He said he was
appearance?
sending it through.
Sir?
He said he was sending it through yesterday morning.
Well, if he, we don't have anything from
He
him.
hasn't filed anything into the case yet, as far
Yeah.
as I can tell.
You have his phone number, don't you? Call him up. Tell him he needs to be here to help you. I mean, if he's representing you, he needs to be here. We don't do it by telepathy. You got to be here in person. And something needs to be in the file. He knows it needs to be in the record, and there's nothing showing that he's representing you. Until such time that happens, Langston Adams continues to represent you. You can say you hired somebody, but you've got to show with writing and records that that's been done so that it's official. Otherwise, the way the rules are, he continues to be the attorney. But call him up and we'll wait. You know, we got other things to do, but call him up and tell him we're waiting on him. Mr. Goodman, you know where you ended up in this, don't you?
Sir.
You tested positive for drugs
Then
and you're going to be arrested. You don't come to court high on drugs. You shouldn't be on drugs in the first place. That's one of your bond conditions. Don't commit a crime. That's the very first bond condition. Come on up. You tested positive for THC, tetrahydrocannabinol marijuana. What's his bond? Your bond is revoked. It is now $20,000, and you must have a drug patch as a condition of bond from here on. Do you understand? This is no way to handle a third-degree felony. You're charged with a third-degree felony of injury to a child. You're looking at up to 10 years in prison. So you're going to deal with this in the most irresponsible way possible by using drugs? Foolish. You're not learning anything from this. You're not learning anything. You're not on the right path at all. Okay, so who do we have representing you? Is it Ms. Adams?
yes, but he said he hired Giles, but yeah, I'm here just for
Well, anyway, you're taken into custody and next time I catch you with drugs, you won't have a bond. You'll just sit it out in jail until this thing's over with. You understand? All right. Okay.
something real quick.
We'll take care of everything.
Sit down. Do you need to get something from him?
Yeah.
Okay, the bailiffs are going to take care of that and get it over to you, whatever his personal matters are. Okay. Thank you. Yes.
Please pardon me, Your Honor.
Okay, your pardon.
Thank you. Your Honor, I'm here, Leon Goodman. Young man I met over a month ago.
The one I just put in jail?
Yeah,
tested positive this morning.
Yeah, yeah. He's in all kinds of messes. You want to look at his file and learn more about this man? He's not what you think. He's got to get fixed. He's heading down the wrong track.
That's
what we're trying to do.
what everyone wants to do.
Help him.
I will,
He's on the fast track.
Judge.
But I mean, that's what we,
I'll take the case. I'm taking it pro.
okay,
bono.
good.
He said he hired.
Huh?
He said.
It says he's hired Giles Cole on the 20th. We make sure, but you and Giles can work together or work this thing out. But he says he's retained Giles, who wasn't even here.
What were the bond conditions you said, Judge?
Should be drug catch.
Well,
Well, yeah, his bond was doubled like it would be in every case, and then he has to have a drug patch that I would do in every case. That's what I did. So-
Based on what Mr. Samuels told me, I have no objection to leaving the bond at its original amount, but with the other conditions, Judge.
Your Honor,
Because I know its family is strained for money as far as.
he's trying to get his GED. He's back in school, but he's smoking weed, and I told him. So, but he listens to me.
I know, but it's ironic that he's working on his education, but acting ignorant.
At one point, I did too,
I mean,
Charlie.
this work, where's the education going?
I understand.
It's not, it's supposed to make him smarter and to make better choices, and but here's what I do is I treat him like I do everybody. Their bonds get doubled. And it's an example that we said, and then the drug patch.
Hodwin's are going to be like a mentor for him.
Judge.
That carries a lot of weight with me, that he's willing to make that sacrifice. And that's why I'm asking you to deviate from your one.
But here's the deal. We got to think, remember, they're all special people. They're all special people. We open the door for one. We open the door for everybody. This is fair. This is like the scales of justice as well. What's fair for one is fair for all. And I'm going to treat him like I'm going to treat others. If we're going to treat him differently, everybody else gets treated in similar situations. And that's the way it's going to work. So give me some good reasons why the bond should not be double like normal and customary. Sometimes it's even greater than double. Depends on what they test positive for.
Yes.
He tested positive. THC.
THC.
Smoking. I met him about a month ago. He came and did some work with me. I got to know him a little bit better. His mom couldn't pay him. They couldn't.
I understand.
I'm taking the case free of charge.
How well?
I believe.
How well do you know?
I believe in him.
And how well do you know?
How well do we know anybody?
I don't know. I said something about him that reminds me of me.
You're taking a leap of faith.
I'm taking a leap of faith. And I will be accountable for. Did he come out? I won't hear.
If we're going to release it, you're going to have a drug patch too as a condition. But
Give me a drug patch.
I think he's already.
here, bring him out. Bring him out. Please, Tommy. Thank you.
Is he?
He's got to get his drug. You've got to have a drug patch before
That's
we can do that.
It's no, Ellie.
Sorry for the system.
Hell,
Send it to the.
too bad. Too bad.
Shape up. Come on. Do with this.
Yeah.
We're going to deal with this.
yeah. Gotcha.
But don't lose strength. These are important decisions.
Yes.
And he needs to
Yes.
handle it responsibly and as a grown up, because he's being dealt with like a grown up. And he's got to take responsibilities and make good choices. Hey, Leon,
Yes, sir.
how's it going in there? I wouldn't want to be in there. How many people are in there?
About 30.
30. And they're,
Pocket next door.
you buddy, they're just, you don't want to live with those guys, right?
No, sir.
How long do you want to stay in jail?
Not at all.
I wouldn't, a minute. Anything you learned here in the last 30, 40 minutes?
I don't want to be here. I don't want to be here.
That's your destiny when you use drugs illegally and commit crimes. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I mean, do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
It's kind of like a shock probation in there. We pulled you through. We wanted to see how you would sense and understand and appreciate the environment that you have elected and chosen to make by not following the rules. That's your destiny, unless you change, not tomorrow, not next week, not next year, but right this moment.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you understand and appreciate that?
Yes, sir.
You need to have a drug patch. The bond is going to continue to be the same. You have to have a drug patch before you leave here. Get that, you'll be released
Yes, sir.
on that bond. And then he's got a next event.
You want
But-
to give him 24 hours, Judge, maybe?
You can't get it here. The drug patch, like he has to go to the place and
Yeah.
put it on.
They send a confirmation to the
Yeah,
court
just-
once he gets it.
They even.
So within 24 hours, if you don't have the confirmation in your file.
It's just a suggestion, Judge.
You get it.
Yeah, if they don't have a program that gets you, you got the end of the day.
Yes,
By the end of the day, that what you can do.
yes, sir.
You understand? And confirm it with the person who puts it on. You'll be then, as a condition of bond, the bondsman will be notified that you have a drug patch so that that can be monitored.
Yes, sir.
But you fail that, then you fail. You'll be right back there, and that'll be where you sit until we can resolve this, which could take a while. You understand?
Yes, sir.
But we're serious about it. But the thing is, we seem to be more serious about it than you do, and you're supposed to be taking it far more seriously than us. Are you? Are you understanding and appreciating rule following is vital? You don't follow the rules, you get punished. These kind of actions can affect you the rest of your life. If you're convicted of a crime, a felony, it's with you the rest of your life.
Yes, sir.
And doors of opportunity are closed. You don't have the options that you would otherwise have to live out your dream of what you want to do, as long as it's the right thing. You know, you want a good dream, not a bad dream. And absolutely no drugs, no firearms.
Yes, sir.
Following the rules like all of us in this room do. We have to follow the same rules. And you can imagine how accountable I would be, or Mr. Samuel would be, or the prosecutors or bailiffs would be if they got caught doing something. We'd really be a big target. But we don't do that because we come to appreciate and cherish the more important things: freedom and being able to live in a free society and enjoy your freedoms, but follow the rules.
Yes, sir.
All right. That's my lecture as a parent to you.
Yes,
But this is like a spanking. You learn from it. You don't want to do this again because you don't want to get punished. Do you understand and appreciate how close you are to a destiny of failure and a conviction
Yeah.
follows you the rest of your life, and you can't it's like carrying a gorilla around. It wears you down. And then you get tired of, nope, we're not going to hire you. We're not going to hire you. We're not going to hire you. You get tired of that because that's all you hear. You don't want to lose opportunities. So you've got to live your life making the right choices.
yes, sir.
And we're going to help you with the drug patch. But it tests positive. Shame on you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. He has the next event, an announcement. Did we give him a resetting? Okay. David, you're still on this, right? I see Ogwen's helping you here.
Giles is his attorney.
Oh, that's
But
right.
he hasn't officially hired, so.
Yeah,
okay.
Mr. Cole.
Until he gets in the game.
Substitution and I'll
Right.
add you.
Add me. I'm taking
Because
the
haven't done that letter yet, so technically I don't have him as a,
Okay,
and I can just replace you from my.
okay.
Okay.
Well, get your hair, you know, so you can see. You don't want to be driving dangerously. Where are you in school? It's a GED you're working on,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay, where are you?
I'm at the Texas workforce.
Yes, sir. Okay, where are you?
I passed one of my tests. I need two more to pass so I can go to Lamar, take my official. They take my official, they put me in a slow place class so I could function.
Yes, sir.
So now they took me out and I'm going back to the fast paced class. 'Cause I'm
Okay.
moving a little
I want you to
bit
give me, I want to see how you're doing on your tests.
faster. Yes, sir.
I'm going to be watching you. Okay. All right. We got people watching after you.
Yes,
You
sir.
do your part.
Yes,
You got to do the heavy lifting. We're going to support you, but don't let us down, yourself down,
yes,
your family down.
yes,
Do you understand how many people there are here involved in this, in your decisions? You don't live alone. This isn't just you. You're not on this planet by yourself. You touch a lot of people's lives and they touch you.
yes, sir.
So don't disappoint others. Don't disappoint yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're capable of doing better. That's what's frustrating to all of us. We know you're capable. Do it. We can't drag you across the finish line. You got to run across. Do it. You're capable of winning the race. Okay. Get a resetting and we'll see you back. And hopefully there'll be a lot of good news I hear next. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Anything else? We're in recess. Thank
Judge,
you.
we're unresting him.
Yes. He is placed back on bond.
I'm gonna figure it out. I don't say that we. Clear.
He's got 24 hours to get